there! So if you're new to online work and you recently created an account sa Upwork, you might have noticed na for you to be able to apply sa mga jobs doon, you need to pay for it using the virtual currency, which is what they call connects. So for this video, we're going to be talking about connects. Ano ba siya? Paano ba siya nag-work? How do you get more of it? And all that. I'm Chifa Suarez, and this is Remote Moms Movement. Now, before natin himay-himay na connects, if you're new to the channel and you're not yet subscribed, I do encourage you to subscribe because we always upload new videos for your freelancing needs. Okay, so ano nga ba ang connects and how does it work? Connects are like tokens sa isang arcade. So for you to be able to play a game, kailangan mong bumili ng tokens and that's what you use. And very much like arcade tokens, you can't use it for other job sites or job boards. It's specifically for Upwork lang and it's exclusive. So, ganun siya. For other platforms din, yung mga virtual currency nila, hindi mo rin pwedeng gamitin sa Upwork and vice versa. Since yun yung number one way natin para makapag-apply tayo sa mga jobs sa Upwork, how then can we get connects? There are actually three ways for you to get connects. The first one is through your monthly allocation. Para tong allowance na you receive every month. All of the freelancers sa Upwork, they are entitled to get their own connects. If you're under the basic plan, you get 10 connects. And if you're under the plus plan, you get 80 connects. Every month, you're guaranteed 10 free connects. If you're just under the basic plan, then you're guaranteed na meron ka laging magagamit every month. Now, what if naubos mo na yung 10 connects mo and you're still halfway through the month? Ibig sabihin, marami ka pang gustong applyan and you now need additional connects. What can you do? Now, in the instance na you run out of connects bago dumating yung allocation mo for the next month, you also have the option to buy extra connects. Connects are priced at 15 cents each. And when they sell this, they sell it in bundle. So you can buy it in bundle of 10s, 20s, 30s, 40s, 60s, and 80s. When you buy connects naman, they work like a prepaid plan. Once you've used up yung binili mo na connects, that's it. Ubos na siya. Now you have the option to again top up or you can wait for your monthly allocation. Aside from those two, you also get to earn additional connects. These are bonus connects na binibigay sa'yo once you do specific actions. Ano-ano ba yung mga actions na yun that will entitle you to get extra bonus connects? The first one is when you register. So all first-timers sa platform, they automatically get 40 connects. Automatic yon. Once you're new and bago ka lang sa platform ng Upwork, automatic, you already earn 40 connects so that you can hit the ground running. Since you're new and then kumuha ka ng Upwork Readiness test, you also get an extra 40 connects as well. So what if naman medyo matagal ka na sa Upwork? How can you earn extra bonus connects kung ayaw mong bumili? You actually earn additional 10 connects every time na you are invited for an interview. So what does that mean? So for example, nag-apply ka sa isang job post and then si client nagustuhan yung cover letter mo or yung proposal mo and they invited you for an interview, automatically you earn extra 10 connects. And I could say that getting invited for interviews is one of the fastest ways for you to earn extra free connects. On a side note, kung laging nasasayang yung connects mo kasi ang dami-dami mong cover letters and proposals na pinapadala but you're not getting interview invites, I do invite you to join my cover letter writing workshop. The details are below. I will show you yung step-by-step process on how you can write cover letters that clients read. I will show you how you can personalize your cover letters, how you can keep it short, but at the same time, grab the attention of your clients. I will also include a lot of demos and practice exercises for you. Sa workshop, I will be showing you kung paano ko gumawa ng cover letters specifically for Upwork. Ipapakita ko rin sa inyo how I will critique another cover letter from a newbie so that you can see what are the mistakes that newbies usually make. As a bonus of joining the workshop, you will also get templates and worksheets as well as some cheat sheets that can help you craft your cover letters. So I hope to see you there. And then the last way for you to earn extra connects is by getting certified. So if you complete Upwork skill certifications, you earn extra bonus connects from Upwork. Right now, they have two main categories for their certifications. The first one is the design and creative assessment, which will give you an extra 40 connects if you do get certified for it. The next one naman is the web, mobile, and software development coding test that you can take. This one, since medyo mas mahirap siya, the extra connects for this are much more. You actually get an extra 80 connects if you do pass the certification. So there, those are the different ways that you can get more connects sa Upwork. Now, if you find this video helpful, please like it and also remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button so that you're always updated once we have new videos available on the channel. Thanks for watching.